Sisters, I'm back! Do you miss me? Welcome home! Our happiness has returned. Go feed a lamb. Hello, everyone. Let's learn about the life of a girl passionate about raising sheep, and listen to interesting stories about raising thousands of sheep in a closed barn. Here, every day, we can see the sheep enjoying their delicious meals. And have you ever wondered, what do sheep eat? This might be the question that people who are planning to raise sheep are wondering about, right? Let's find out more in the following article. Sheep are grass-eating animals. They are not picky eaters. The food for sheep can be divided into two main groups. Firstly, it is green roughage, including dry grass, barley, bamboo leaves, alfalfa. Apart from grass, sheep can also eat various types of leaves such as bamboo leaves, corn leaves, sugarcane leaves, hibiscus leaves, arrowroot leaves, pumpkin leaves, water spinach leaves, and even coffee leaves, sweet potato leaves, and sweet potato vines, and other grass leaves. Currently, I am feeding the sheep with concentrated feed. It is always necessary to feed sheep with concentrated feed. This is especially important during dry periods when there is no grass to eat. In particular, sheep eat concentrated feed during the period when sheep are pregnant, lactating, and male sheep so they are often fed concentrated feed frequently and prioritized. On average, each sheep only needs to eat a few hundred grams per day. Sheep are herbivores, and they mainly eat plants. This is especially important during dry periods when there is no grass to eat. In particular, sheep eat concentrated feed during the period when sheep are pregnant, lactating, and male sheep. So they are often fed concentrated feed frequently and prioritized. On average, each sheep only needs to eat a few hundred grams per day. Sheep eat starch feed. Experienced sheep farmers will not let sheep eat early in the morning. When the grass in the field is still dewy, they have to wait until about 8 a.m. when the sun rises. At this time, sheep eating is the best because the bacteria in the grass have died. In the sunny season, sheep are only allowed to graze on sunny days in the fields. No one raises sheep in wet areas with many ponds, even though the grass in these areas is usually greener than other areas. For sheep raised in barns, fresh-cut grass should be given to the trough immediately and washed with plenty of water, rather than feeding the sheep. During the rainy season, sheep are kept in the pen, and sheep farmers cut grass to bring to the pen for them to eat. Grass usually grows in low-lying, wet areas like this will have many poisonous insects, including tapeworms, ticks, and bugs clinging to the stems and leaves to lay eggs. When sheep eat these harmful creatures, they will become sick. Only then mud, impurities, worms, and tapeworm eggs on the new grass are washed out. Then the grass is spread out to dry naturally and put into the trough for the sheep to eat. It's still pure food for sheep. Let's pour them back. Knit sheep to fast. Feed them well, they're all cute. A little leg fatigue. Fingerprint is a fine food-making machine. My job? Take the food after providing the ingredients. Whether it is very uniform at another barrel. There's a flat phase BA engine up there. Each carton about 25 kilograms. I love making food for my babies. And the new sheep are born. Wake up, my baby! I'll give you something new to eat today. Delicious! Make sure the food is made by yourself. Eat and get rich. You are so beautiful in a black dress. You have to feed the ham here too. Thanks for following me.